Hi, my name is Jackie Monkiewicz, and I'm a graduate student with Arizona State University, the School of Earth and Space Exploration. I'm also a coordinating committee member with the American Astronomical Society's Working Group for Accessibility and Disability. And I'm here to ask you, how would you create a planetarium show for the visually impaired? Well, maybe I should back that up for a second and ask you instead, why do we need to create a planetarium show for the visually impaired? Well, according to the National Federation for the Blind, 7 million Americans are visually impaired. Of those 7 million, only 14% have bachelor's degrees. And that's not less than half the national average, and very, very few of those are STEM degrees. Typically, star parties are considered one of the most impactful ways to generate early interest in space sciences. Star parties include stargazing, telescope viewing, planetarium shows, maybe some hands-on activity. And Arizona State University actually hosts star parties about once a month at our open house. And my favorite thing is when I get to show someone Saturn through a telescope for the first time and they're just blown away. Either that or they actually think it's fake and they go around the back of the telescope to look for the video feed. But how do you share that experience with someone who can't see? Well, you have two options, touch or hearing. So let's talk about touch for a second. When you look at constellations like Orion or the Big Dipper, they're not that different from Braille patterns. Similarly, the concepts of north and south, of zenith, horizon, elevation, or declination. These ideas are very physical and they're rooted to Earth's gravity. So what if we created a planetarium show where you could feel your way around the sky? What would you need? Well, you'd need a dome that was small enough you could touch the surface, and hopefully you'd have textures on the surface representing the stars. And you'd like it to be portable. Maybe it would look something like this bubble tent, which I custom ordered after winning the ASU pitching contest. And the idea of a tactile planetarium dome is completely novel, but 3D printed tactiles have been under development for several years in astronomy education. And these can include like relief maps or constellations. And another option is sonification, which is transforming astronomy signals into audible sound waves. I have an example here of a meteor strike. Does everybody hear that weird thing? That was a meteor. And that's another option. The goal is to create an immersive sound and touch experience in astronomy education for the visually impaired. And I'd like to close with my favorite quote from Field of Dreams, my favorite accessibility pitch: "If you build it, they will come." Thank you for your time.